Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for my Cricut Joy card making tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up your sizing and how to change your draw and cut settings to make the Cricut Joy cards from my Princess card bundle. The Princess card files are available to purchase in my digital shops. I will pop the links in the comments. Once you have purchased the card files, you will need to unzip and upload the Cricut Joy files to your Cricut library. You can bring them into Design Space by clicking on the designs. To zoom out, press the minus button in the corner of your screen. Now to make the files for your Joy, you need to make sure you have the Joy selected from your machines in this corner. And click on Joy. Now you need to check the sizing for each of the cards. There should be 4 inches in width and 5.25 inches in height. These are all correct. That was slightly out, but it doesn't matter. It'll still cut fine. But if you did want to change it, you can change it up here. Then you need to change some of the cut settings to draw. So click on the bits that you need to draw by selecting them on your layers panel here, and click operation up here, and then draw a then pen, and do that with each of the cards. It's a top layer on each of them, I think. Yeah, top layer on each of them. Once you've done that, you can select each of the cards and then click attach down here on the bottom of your screen. Do that with each of them again. And then click make it here in the green, here in the corner of your screen. On this screen you need to select the on card mat. Then you will see on this side of the screen you'll need to use your pen and your cut, your blade. So that's all correct. This is on card mat, yep. Right, so continue down here in the bottom of your bottom of your screen. And then you'll need to connect to your machine. It's automatically connected to the Joy. And then I use the cardstock, insert cardstock setting. And that's it then, just get your Joy machine to cut the cards out. Thank you.